10 tips how to make people like you fast. Nearly everyone wants to be liked, even many people who swear they don't care. The ability to easily connect with new people can be invaluable for your social life and career. To make people instantly like you, you'll need to develop engaging conversational skills, create a friendly and attractive appearance, show enthusiasm appropriate to the situation, and make the people you're with feel comfortable and appreciated. Making friends doesn't come naturally to everyone. Even so, we can all become more likable people. With a little guidance, you can start implementing habits to help you get along better with those around you. 1. Treat people with respect. Treating others respectfully may seem like an obvious way to make people like you. However, sometimes we lose respect for others, especially when emotions are running high. 2. Copy the person you're with. This strategy is called mirroring and involves subtly mimicking another person's behavior. When talking to someone, try copying their body language, gestures, and facial expressions. 3. Know when to stop and listen. An important part of communicating is actively listening to what the other person has to say. Communicating isn't a one-way street. A good listener listens with intent, asks follow-up questions, and gives the other person their full attention. 4. Be funny, but don't act like a complete idiot. The class clown is usually a pretty popular kid, as is the prankster who's always making people laugh. Being genuinely funny is a hard thing to do, but it's an important part of getting other people to like you. Act funny and go with the joke the other person says. 5. Compliment other people. People will associate the adjectives you use to describe other people with your personality. This phenomenon is called spontaneous trait transference. If you describe someone else as genuine and kind, people will also associate you with those qualities. 6. Ask questions. It's human nature to be helpful, and we all have a great desire to share what we know. When someone appears to need our help, we tend to like them more because we like being the one who provides the answers. 7. Talk about positive things. By and large, people want to be happy more than sad, so positive things are happier to talk about than negative things. Talking about negative things or complaining too much can put the person you're talking to in an uncomfortable position and sometimes leads the conversation astray. 8. Pay attention to body language. Your body language is like another you screaming signals that other people pick up on without ever really noticing. A lot of our body language happens without us even knowing about it. It's subconscious. 9. Be energetic and enthusiastic. You know what works well about you and what doesn't. Whatever you do, be energetic and enthusiastic. Let your voice, your body, and your confidence show that. 10. Casually touch them. Subliminal touching occurs when you touch a person so subtly that they barely notice. Common examples include tapping someone's back or touching their arm, which can make them feel more warmly toward you. Can you make people like you if you're shy? Shy people often struggle with being outgoing and making new friends. However, even if you're an introvert at heart, you can make people like you. It just takes a few new habits and a will you put yourself out there. Remember, it's okay to take things at your own pace. That's all for today. Share your experience and comment. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on future content, and thanks for watching.